Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Google Antigravity and what it actually does. So this fun Google feature lets you play with gravity effect on your screen. So to start with, you just have to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for antigravity.google, which is the official website of Google Antigravity. So once you are here, you just have to click on the option of download for Windows, or you can also click on the option of explore the use cases in order to know more about it. So here, as soon as the effect activates, everything on your screen will fall down as if gravity is removed. You can click and drag the fallen items around the screen using your mouse and the fingers. The buttons, the text, the search bar all act like the real objects with weights. So if you want to reload and see the effects again, you just have to simply refresh the page and the anti-gravity animation will restart from the beginning. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.